We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 16, Permutation. Exercises 16.5. Find the number of words formed by permuting all the letters of the following words. First is independence. Independence, we have 12 letters. In these 12 letters, we always know that how to solve it. Factorial n by factorial p, q, and this factorial n is total number, p and q are the repeated letters or repeated objects. So how many are there? Factorial n, it is 12. So we have 12 of these. How many are repeated? There are 2 d's and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 n's are there. And we have 4 e's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 e's are there. So we will add one more r. P, Q, R are the number of d's, n's and e's. So d repeated 2 times, n 3, and 4 repeated e times. E repeated 4 times. So put it here, 12 by factorial 2, factorial 3, factorial 4. You know how to solve it by now. And this is going to be just 3 to the 6, 6 will come. And just cancel the numerator denominator, and you are going to get 166320. Next one is intermediate. Intermediate, there are 12 letters, 2 i's, 2 t's and 3 e's. So factorial 12 by factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 3. So this is 111995840. Arrange. In this arrange, we have 7 letters. So 2 A's are there, factorial 2, 2 R's are there, factorial 2, factorial 7 by factorial 2, factorial 2, and only 2 are there. So the result will be 1260. India, there are I is only repeated, so we have 5 letters and repeated is only 2. So factorial 5 by factorial 2. Pakistan, we have 8 letters here, 8 letters, and 2 times we have A's, factorial 8 by factorial 2, 20160. Russia, there are 2 times only S has come. So factorial 6 by factorial 2. 6 are whole letters. 360. Series. How many are there? 6 letters. 2 times S, 2 times E. Factorial 6 by factorial 2, factorial 2. 180. Exercises. We have factorial 9. Total. ER 3 times. ER 3 times and SR 3 times. So we have E is 3 times and SR 2 times. So 3 times E. Factorial 9 by factorial 3 factorial 2, that is 30240. Constantinople. 14 letters are there. 2 times O, factorial 2, 3 times N, 3 times n, factorial 3, and 2 times t. It will be factorial 4 by, just write factorial 4, factorial 14. In how many ways can the letters of the word algebra be arranged without changing the relative order of the vowels and consonants? So in algebra, A-L-G-E-B-R-A. In algebra, we have first, how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3. Vowel are there. 3 vowels are there. And we have to permutate so that the relative order should not be changed. Vowels and consonants. So relative order should not be changed. That means LG should be LG. BR should be BR, only A, E and A can be changed here and there. So we have 4 consonants. So 4 consonants can be arranged in 4P4. This is factorial 4. These are for consonants. How about there are three vowels? So 3p3, 1, 2, 3. We have to put it here only. We cannot have an A in the position of L. So L and G position needs to be fixed. B are to be fixed. Only A, E, A can be taken here and there. So 1, 4, 7 is the only position for A, E, A. We cannot infiltrate 2, 3 and 5, 6 position. So how many are there? See, we already checked about consonants. 4p4 already done. Now A1, 4, 7. So there are 3 positions. That is 3. Factorial 3. How many repetitions are there? 2. So factorial 3 by factorial 2. Factorial 2. 3p3 we have taken. And then since A is repeated 2 times, so we have factorial 2. So factorial 2. Now multiply these two. Factorial 4 for consonants and factorial 3 by 2 for this answer will come. How many words can be formed with the letters of the word university? There are vowels remaining together. We have university. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So how many vowels are there? 4 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. 4p4 to arrange them. 4p4. And since 2 are repeated, so factorial 4 by factorial 2. 2 are I's. So factorial 4 by factorial 2 is for vowels. Now you see vowels, keep them together. So you have U, I, E, I. Just keep them together. This is the first position. Now there are 10, you have taken 4, so 6 positions are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 positions remaining. This is the 6th position and 1 position for the combined one. So 7 positions are there. So we have 7 positions. You can arrange them in as 7p 7 ways. So factorial 7 actually. So multiply factorial 7 with this one, you will get 60480. We have applied the fundamental principle of multiplication. 60480 will come. Find the total number of arrangements of the letters in the expression a cube b square c to the power 4. A cube b square c to the power 4. When written in full length, that is A, B, B, C, 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 C. So how many are there? There are 9. Factorial 9. How many are repeated? A 3 times, B 2 times, C 4 times. And this is going to come 1260. How many words can be formed with the letters of the word parallel so that all else do not come together? They do not come together. So 3 L's are there and they should not come together. So let us have the total formation. We will then keep the L together and then find the formation, and then we will subtract them. So total, then subtract it with those with having L together. So we will have those with L not together. So how many letters are there here? Parallel. 8 are there. Factorial 8. 8p8. Whole R. A is 2 times, so divided by factorial 2. L is 3 times, so divided by factorial 3. So this is 3360, total number of possible permutations. Now coming to, we fix that L are together. So 3 L's are together, fix them together. So 3 L's are there. How many are remaining? When we have taken 3, only 5 are remaining. So this is 5 position, 1 for the L, triple L. So कुल मिला के हमारे पास 6 position हो गए. We have 6 position in all. Now in this 6, what we have to do? We have to arrange them. So 6p6 is the total one. But in this we have 2 A's also. L we have taken together, but in this factorial 6, we are arranging 6. A is 2 times. So we have to divide this by factorial 2 for A's also. So factorial 2, and this is, we have taken care of A also. Factorial 6 by factorial 2. So now L is together here. Now in order to find out that L should not be together, we have to take 3360 and subtract it with 360. These are all possibilities, and 360 when L come together. So when you subtract that, L will never come together. L will never come together 3000 times. How many words can be formed by arranging the letters of the word Mumbai so that all M's come together? So M has to come together. So M has to come together. So just fix them together. MM are together. So you have taken 2 out of these 6 letters. So how many are remaining? 4 are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are remaining. So 4 are this position, 1 position for MM. So 5 positions are there. Now you can have a permutation 5p 5 times. So it will be factorial 5, 120 will be the answer. If the letters of the word this is how many numbers can be formed with the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 so that the odd digits always occupy the odd places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have 7 digits here. And 1, 2, 3, these are the positions here. 6, 7, these are the positions. So 1, 3, 5, 7, these are the odd positions. So we have odd digit places. And the question is saying odd digits always occupy odd places. What are the odd digits? We have 1, odd digits are 1, 1, 3, 3. 1, 1, 3, 3 are the odd digits and 1, 3, 5, 7 are the positions. So we have factorial 4 for all these 4 places. Now 1, 1 is repeated, so divide by factorial 2. 3, 3 is repeated, divide by factorial 2. So this is the odd numbers that can be arranged in odd places. Odd numbers that can be arranged in odd places. Now there are 3 places remaining, 1, 2, 3, that is 2, 4, 6 positions. And how many are remaining? 2, 2, 2 and 4, 2, 4, 2. So we have 3 places and 3 places, but here 2 is repeated 2 times. So divide by factorial 2. Now multiply these 2, right? If you multiply this, you know how to do this. The answer will be 18. 18. How many different signals can be made from 4 red, 2 white, 3 green flags by arranging them, all of them vertically on a flag staff? So we have 4, 2, 3. In all we have 9 flags. 9 flags are there, and so 9p9 is the total way of arranging them. But what is repeated? Red 4 times, white 2 times, green 3 times. So we get this factorial 9 by factorial 4, factorial 2, factorial 3, 1260 is the answer. How many number of 4 digits can be formed with the digits 1330? 1330. So 4 are total, 4p4. 4p4 total. 4 are there and 4 arrangements, taking 4 at a time. So total number of 4 digits. 3 are repeated, so factorial 4 by factorial 2. Now the numbers will include all the zeros also when they are coming in the first place. So let us fix that 0 first. These are all the numbers, whether it is 0 in the front or not. So we have to fix 0 hand here, and there are 3 positions now. 1, 3, 3. 3 position, 3 element. So it will be 3p3. But here 3 is repeated, so you have to divide it by factorial 2. Now you have all the possibilities. This is all the possibilities. This is the possibilities with 0 at the front. We have to subtract them. You will get total number of 4 digits. 12 minus 3, that is 9 will come. In how many ways can the letters of the word be arranged so that the 2 R's are never together? 2 R's are never together. So same thing we will do. Total we will find out, and then we'll say that R are together. If we subtract them, then we will get those formation where R are not together. So how many are there? Factorial 7. 7p7 is there. 7 taking all at a time. 7p7. 7 taking all at a time. Now, the problem is that r is repeated, a is also repeated. So factorial 2 you divide. So this is the all possibilities. Now coming to the next one. Now we are assuming that r's are together. So keep them in a box, r. So when we took first position by r, what is the position left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 positions are left. So 5 positions are these and 1 position for r. So in all we have 6 positions. So 6 position is 6p6. But in here, except r, we have a also being repeated. Here also we have a repeated. So you have to divide it by factorial 2. So this is the total possibilities. And these are the possibilities with r together. R are coming together here. So we want to subtract it so that we get the number of words in which all r's do not come together. And that is going to be 900. How many different numbers greater than 50,000 can be formed with the digits 01159? 01159. How many different numbers greater than 50,000? So it has to be greater than 50,000. Now if it has to be greater than 50,000, then the first position can only be either 5 or 9. So we have 5 position, either 5 can come or 9 can come. Either 5 can come or 9 can come. So let us assume whatever is coming later is it doesn't matter. But the first position can only be 5 or 9. 5 or 9. So here or is there. So we need to add. We will have 2 results for 5, for 9, and then we'll add. Because it is being asking or. Okay. So let us fix 5 here. So we have 4 positions. So 4 is factorial 4. And since 1 and 1 is remaining, 1 is repeated, you divide it by 2. 1 is repeated. So this is for having 5 at the front. That is the first position. Now let us assume that 9 is in the first position. 9 is the first position. Same thing. Factorial 4 by factorial 2. 4 are the positions and 1 is repeated. So factorial 4. 1 is repeated, factorial 4 by 2. And since this is 5, this is 12, this is 12. 1 is for 5, 1 is for 9. So you add them, 24 will be there. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word series which start with S and ends with S? So we'll start with S, end with S. So we have taken 2S out, this is fixed, this is fixed. So we have 6 letters. So 4 positions are inside. There will be 4 positions inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just forget about these 4. So 4 positions are there and we have 4 options. So 4 arrangements. So factorial 4 is there. But apart from S, E is also repeated. So divided by factorial 2. And that is going to be factorial 4 by factorial 2, 12. The permutations of the letters of the word Madhubani do not begin with M but end with I. So do not begin with M but end with I. It should not start with M and it should end with I. All the formation we have to find. So what we'll do, we'll try to see that all the formation where it ends with I, whatever comes at the front, we don't care. So it should end with I. First condition is this. And these are say 10 numbers. Example. Now we'll take, it starts with M and end with I. We'll start with M and end with I. So let it come to 5. So now we subtract this 10 minus 5 and this is going to be 5. So all the words, all the permutations where it will not start from M and it will end with I, right? It will not start with M but end with I. So what is the formation? I we have fixed. N should be I. So total we have 9 here. I we have fixed at the last. So remaining is 8. So 8p8, that is factorial 8, 8p8, factorial 8, we have to arrange 8, taking all of them together, all at a time. So 8p8. And since we have taken factorial 8, if you remove I, a will come 2 times, so it will be factorial 2, you have to divide. So total numbers of word that end with I is factorial 8 by factorial 2. Now let us start with M and end with I. That means you have taken 2 out of 9, so 7 are remaining. 2 you have taken out of 9, so 7 are remaining. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 are there. Now you have to have 7 positions. 7 positions are there and 7 letters are there. So 7p7 is the formation. But again A will come twice, so you have to divide by 2. So now we have got 2 things we discussed earlier. So ending with I is first thing and start with M and end with I is second thing. Now we subtract them. So what do we get? We get which does not start with M and end with I. So you have to subtract these 2 numbers and you are going to get 17,640. 17,640. Find the number of numbers greater than a million that can form 1 million is 10 lakh. That can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 2, 3. So how many digits are there? There are 7 digits. These are in all 7 digits. Now we cannot have a 0 at the first position. So what we will do, if 0 is not there, means if we remove 0, how many there are there? 6 are there. So if we take 0 at the front, factorial 6 are there. 0 we fixed. Let us assume that it is there. Factorial 6 by factorial 2, removing this 0. So factorial 6 by factorial 2, factorial 3. So we have fixed a 0 at the first position and taken all others. So only 6 are remaining. Factorial 6 is there and repetition is 3, 3, 2 times and 3, 3, 3 times and 2, 2, 2 times. So these are all the values where 0 comes first. Now we will take all the formations. Whether it is coming 0 or not doesn't matter. So all 7 are there. We are taking 7p7, that is factorial 7. 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 3 times. So this is all the possibilities. These are 420. 0 in the front, 0 is not in the front. But this is where 0 comes at the front. So this is 60. Now we have to remove this 60 from 420. That is all the values which have 0. We want it to be more than 10 lakhs. So we have to remove this those numbers which have 0 first. That is this 60. You have to remove it from 60. So 420 minus 60 is 360. So total number of numbers which is greater than 1 million is 360. There are 3 copies each of 4 different books. In how many ways can they be arranged in a shelf? So we have 4 different books. 4 books are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 books are there. But every book has 3 copies, similar copy, identical copy. So every book has 3 copies. So total in all we have 12 books. 12 books. We have 12 books total. So factorial 12 is the total number. 12p12 is the total formation. Arranging 12, taking all at a time. But the first has 3 repetition. Every book has 3 repetition. So factorial 3 for the first, second, third, fourth. So these are the repetition we have to divide. So it will be factorial 12 by factorial 3 to the power 4. This is the answer. This is the answer. How many different arrangements can be made by using all letters in the word mathematics? Mathematics, how many formations you can have? So you have 11 of them. So factorial 11, right? 11p11 is factorial 11. This is all the formation you can form using mathematics. but m is 2 times, so factorial 2 is there. A is 2 times, so divided by factorial 2. T is 2 times, factorial divided by 2. So these are the requisite number of words, all the possibilities, right? You have divided factorial 11, taken all of them and divided by the repetitions. Now how many of them? Now we have to begin with C. So if you fix how many of them begin with C. So when you fix C, only 10 are remaining. So 10p10, factorial 10. And if you take C outside, since we have repetition of M, A and T, so you have to divide by factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 2. Now coming to how many of them begin with T. So you start with C or you start with T. You start with T. There is one thing. If you start with T, again 10 will be remaining. So factorial 10 will be there. 10p10, 10p10. But here T you have taken 1. So from only repetition will be M and A, because 1 T you have already taken. So in all these remaining 10, there will be no repetition of T. So it will be factorial. Please understand, T you have already taken, M and A you have to divide. A biologist studying the genetic code is interested to know the number of possible arrangements of 12 molecules in a chain. The chain contains 4 different molecules represented by the initials A for adenine, C for cytosine, G for guanine and T for thymine, and 3 molecules of each kind. How many different such arrangements are possible? So every initial, there are 4 different molecules. There are 4 different molecules, and each molecules have 3 types, 3 molecules of each. So A has 3, C has 3, G has 3, T has 3. So 12 taking all at a time, arranging 4 into 3, 4 molecules, 3 each of type. So 12p taking 12, arranging 12 all at a time will be 12p12. But every molecule has repetition 3 times. So 4 times you have to divide it by factorial 3. Repetition is there. So the answer will be 369600. In how many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow, 2 green disc, 3 yellow, 3 red, 4 red, 3 yellow, 2 green disc can be arranged in a row if the disc of the same color are indistinguishable. So red is 4 times, yellow is 3 times, green is 2 times. So total is 4 plus 3 plus 2. 9 discs are there. Total is 9p9. 9 arrangement taking all at a time. Now repetition is red is 4, so indistinguishable. Factorial 4, factorial 3, factorial 2 you have to divide. So if you solve it, it is going to come as 1260. How many numbers greater than it's 10 lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 10 lakh. So there are 6 zeros, so it's 10 lakh. How many numbers greater than this number can be found by using the digit 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4? Now what we will do? We have already done this, the same question. First, when we talked about 1 million, so we'll start with all these formations, all the formations, whatever is there, either 0 comes in the front or not. So 7p7 is the formation, right? 7p7. These are 7, arranging 7, taking 7 at a time. 7. What are the repetitions? 2 is repeated 3 times. And 4 is repeated 2 times. So this is all the formations possible. All the formations. Now we'll fix the 0 because we don't want this. We will find all the numbers which start with 0 because we don't want these kind of numbers. Because we have to remove these numbers. So 0, if you take fix, 6 are remaining. So this 6 can be arranged in 6p6 ways. 6p6. and you have to divide this by the repetition, that is again 4 2 times and 2 3 times. So this is going to be 60, and these are the numbers. This 420 is total, 60 is with 0 at the front. Now that 60 will not be going to solve us. 60 needs to be removed for 420, then only we are going to get the answer, which is 360, which is the answer of this question, which is greater than that number. In how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? All the S are together. So how many S's are there? There are 13 letters each. In these 13 letters, how many SS are there? 4 S are there. So 13 letters, and we have 4 S here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now keep them in a box and consider this as one position. All these 4 in a one box, and considering this to be one position. So one position is this. When you take 4 out of 13, it will be 9 positions left. If you take 4 SS, now positions will be there. So 9 positions and 1 position for this box. So 10 positions are there. Now 10 arrangements, 10 taking all at a time. So 1, this SSS is 1 position, okay. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 positions are there. Now you have to arrange them 10 P10. Now what is the repetition? The repetition is, what are repeated? S you have already taken, so you don't have to worry about S. 3 A's, so factorial 3, and then 2 I's, S we have taken, so just ignore it. 2 I's and 2 N's, so factorial 2 you divide, and when you solve it, you are going to get 151200. Find the total number of permutations of the letters of the word institute. Institute. How many letters are there? 9 letters are there. So 9P9 is the permutation possible. Total permutation. So factorial 9. How many are repeated? I's are repeated 2 times, and T's are repeated 3 times. Right? So just divide it by this. This is the number. This is the result. The letters of the word Suriti. The letter of the word Suriti are written in all possible orders, and these words are written out as in dictionary. Find the rank of the word Suriti. So now you have to write this, all the formations, and arrange them in lexicographical order. Same you will find in dictionary. So there will be, the word, this Suriti word will come where? In all the formation, where the Suriti is going to come. What is the what is the rank? What is the count? So if AB is there, AB formation is AB and BA. So if you have been asked, if AB is there, when does BA will come? So 1 to 2, the rank will be 2. This is an example. So alphabetical order, you have to arrange it exactly what is seen in the dictionary. So if you see A, B, C, D, F, G, A to Z, first what will come? I will come. Okay. First I will come. So I will come first. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, I. So 2 times I will come, I and I, because 2 I's are there. Then I, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S will come. Now first fix I at the start. First I will come. So I you fix. Now 4 positions are there. I is already there. First I we fix. There are 5 positions. So it will be factorial 5. Factorial 5. This is for fixing I. This is the answer for first one. I is the first one. Other 5 will come, and you have fixed it. This will be 120. You started with I because I will come first in the lexicographical order. Now after I, what will come? This HIJK LMNOP RST RS. So R will come here. After that S will come. So R will come. Again same thing. Factorial 5 is the possibility after this. But 2 are repeated. I will repeat it. So factorial 2. So this is factorial 5 by factorial 2 when we fix R at the first position. See, we have already done with I. We are already done with R. Now coming to the next one. What will come? Now you will start with S. But when you start with S, there are five other members, and I will come 2 times. So factorial 5 by factorial 2, right? Now the number of words beginning with this S is factorial 5 by factorial 2, right? Now here in this all variation we have S with others also. Suriti will come here only. So what we'll do? We will put S, and what is going to come after this? First alphabetical word will be SI. So when you fix SI, then what is going to come after this? Four values will come. So it will be factorial 4. Now after I, what will come with S? Alphabetical order. SR will come. So SR will come. Again 4 are there. So factorial 4. But 2 times I will also come. So factorial 4 by factorial 2, that is, it will be 12 when you have SR. Now coming to ST, you fix. Now again you have 4. So factorial 4 formations are there, but I will also repeat. So factorial 4 by factorial 2. Now coming to T, now you come at SU. Now when you come to SU, now SUI, it will be 3 will be remaining, so factorial 6 will be there. Now SUI, Suriti will come at after this. SUI you have taken. Now SUR, from after I, R will come. SUI, then SUR. So 1, 2, 3 will be there. But I will also come 2 times. So it will be factorial 3 by factorial 2. But in this factorial 3 by factorial 2, but here ITI will come and IIT will come, and with SUR IIT may come or ITI may come. So if you see lexicographically, ITI will come after IIT, ITI will come after IIT. So there are 2, the rank will increase by 2, so it will be 2 formation more. Now you add everything, 120, then 60, then 24, 12 2 times, then you add this 6, then you add this last 2, you get 236. So if you have any problem, don't worry, we are going to take one more question like this, two more questions like this. Next is, in the letters of the word late be permuted. If the letters of the word late be permuted, LAT, and the words so formed be arranged in a dictionary, find the rank of the word late. So we have to arrange it, and we have to find out in this lexicographical order in which we put all the permutations, where is late going to come? What is the number? What is the rank? So we'll start with the A, because A will come first. There are 3 remaining. So factorial 3 will be there. A will come, E will come, L will come, T will come, alphabetical order. Now fix, now E, after E will come. Now 3 positions are there. Again factorial 3 formations are there. 6. AE. Now comes L. Now you come L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now L will come. Now L will come. Now after that, what will be the word? L. For what will be the first thing which will come with L? A. LA. Right? You will have 3. You have 3 factorial 3. But the thing is, A will come first with L. A will come first with L. So now mark A, L, A. Now you fix L, A. L. These all are making factorial 3, factorial 6. We don't have to worry about this. When you fix L, now what will come? A will come. A will come. So it can be LATE. It can be LAET. See, LA we fix. Now TE can come. ET will come. But ET will come previous than LAT, prior than this, right? So LAT will come after LAET. So these are two numbers. A, B, C, D, F, G, if you count, E will come previous, then T will come. So if you fix LA and if you have two formation, TE and ET, T will come after ET. So two formations are there. Two ho gaya? Two. So two possibilities. So now you have to add 2. So 6 plus 2, that is going to be 12 plus 2, that is 14. In this dictionary, what will come after what? That is where you have to go. When we came to L, after L, what will come? When you fix L, L will also have formations. But सबसे पहले A आएगा. First A will come. So now you form LA with whatever comes. So LAT will come first, then TE will come. So late will come after LAT. Rank of LAET is higher than LATE. So that is why. So LAET will come. That is why we have taken 2 here. Factorial 3 is okay. This is 2. Why we have taken 2? That's what I am explaining. So 14 will come. In the letters of the word mother are written in all possible orders, and these words are written out in a dictionary. Find the rank of the word mother. So we have mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. So there are 6 letters here. So we will write all the formations, all the permutations. Now you have to find out whether mother, which rank mother will come. So what is the alphabetical order here? Lexicographical order. What will be the lexicographical or dictionary wise? A to Z. First E is going to come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, R, S, T, T. This is the way it is going to come. So let us start with E. When you start with E, anything come after this, 5 places are there. Anything come after this, so factorial 5 formation. 5P5 actually. So this is the first one. Now E is done. Come to H. H will come. H will have all the formation after it with starting H. So again same thing, 5P5 for these 5 positions left. It is 5P5. Now coming to M. Now you have to concentrate here. Now you have to start with M. So for first thing M, what will come with M? You see lexicographically E will come. So 4 positions are there. So formation is factorial 4. 4P4. ME. Now coming to MH. Again factorial 4 will come, because after E, H will come. You have to see what will come after E. So H will come. Now MO will come. Now you have to see here, in this MO only you are going to mother. MOTHRE is mother. So what will come with MO? First E will come. So 3 positions are there, factorial 3. Now MO, now E is after this, H will come. 3 positions are there, factorial 3. Now MO, already taken, R will come. Again 3 position, factorial 3. Now up T aayega. The T is coming now, MOT. But you don't have to fix 3 positions. Now you have to start with again E, MOTE. So 2 positions are there. So factorial 2 positions are there. So now see, MOTE. Now MOT, after E, H will come. But MOTH, after that what will come? Either you get, if you get ER or you get RE. Either you get RE or ER. But which is higher in alphabetical order? ER. So only one position. You will get in one position. So now you have to count. 120, 120. Then you have 24, 24. Then you have 6, 6, 6. Then you have 2. Then you have 1. Or add all these, you are getting 309. If the permutations of A, B, C, D, E A, B, C, D, E taken all together be written down in alphabetical order as in dictionary and number. Find the rank of the permutation DEBAC. 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 So when D will come? See, first D will come. First A you fix. First of all, A will come. So there are 4 possible arrangements. So 4P4. Now you fix B. Same thing. 4. Now A is finished. B is at the first. All possibilities are there. Factorial 4. Now after this C will come. 4 positions are left. All combination. Factorial 4. Now ABC is done. Now D will come. Right? Now D will come. Now in D, first thing will come what? A. First will come as A. So you fix 2 positions. 4 positions, 3 positions are left. So for factorial 3. After A, what will come? B will come. B, 3 positions, factorial 3. 3P3. Now after that, what will come? C. Again 3 positions, factorial 3. Now after A, B, C is done. Now what will come? Now E will come. Now D will come. So now you see the formation. What will come? Again, we start with A. So 2 positions are there. It will come as 2. Now DE. After DE, A. After A, what will come? Now next will come as DEB. See, DEA. After this, DEB will come. DEB will come. DEB. Now this is our interest point. After B, what will come? It will come. See, it will come AC or CA. What is the higher one? AC is there. AC is there, so only one you have to count. So now add 4, 4, 4, 24, 24, 24. So multiply 24 3 times. Now 3, 3, 3. That is 6, 6, 6. Multiply 3 times. And then you have 2 here, and then you add 1. 3 into 24, 3 into 6, and 2 into 1. This is going to be the answer. Find the total number of ways in which 6 plus signs and 4 negative signs can be arranged in a line such that no 2 negative sign minus sign occur together. No 2 negative sign occur together. So the formation will be what? Negative should not come together. So 2 negatives must not come together. Whatever is the formation. 2 negatives should not come together. So the positive signs, how many signs are there? Fixed 6P6, right? Factorial 6 is the total, but there are repetition of plus signs. We are repeating it. So factorial 6 will come in the denominator. So you will come as 1. See, these are 6. They are identical. You take here or there. It doesn't matter. So 6 formation will be there, but you have to divide by factorial 6. Now coming to this positive, these are positions. Now these are position for positive. So negative will come here, negative can come here, negative can come here, 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 and here. So these are the 7 positions where you can put negative. These are the 7 positions where you can put negative, because they should not come together. There are 4 negatives, 7 positions are there. So 7P4 is the combination. Oh, sorry, permutation. 7P4. Now 7P4 is there. But how many are there? 4 are repeated. So you have to divide it by factorial 4. You have to divide it by factorial 4. So 7P4 by factorial 4. Now you have to just solve it. It is going to be, when you solve it, it is going to be 35. You know how to solve it? It is going to be 35. So this is for negative 35, and for positive it is 1. Multiply by principle of multiplication. Just multiply them. 35 into 1 is equal to 35. Next one is intermediate. How many ways the letter of word intermediate can be so that the vowels, the relative orders of vowels, in how many ways can the letter of the word intermediate be arranged so that the vowels always occupy even spaces? There are 2 parts of this question. First is, intermediate is the word, the vowels always occupy even places. So we have intermediate. So let us mark it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 positions here. 12 letters are there. So I is 2 times. Then we have T 2 times. Then we have E 2 times, 3 times. And then we have R, NR, MDA. What are the vowels? You have E 3 times, I is 2 times, and A is there. A is 1 time. So 6 vowels are there. 6 vowels are there. So how many are remaining? 6 consonants. In 12, 6 are vowels and 6 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now vowels always occupy the even spaces. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So these are 6 positions where we can put vowels. So 6 position where we can put vowels. So 6 vowels, so 6p6 is the total formation for vowels. But in this vowel, you see I is repeated 2 times, factorial 2 you divide. E is repeated 3 times, you divide to factorial 3. So this is factorial 6 by factorial 2 factorial 3, and that is going to be for the vowels. Now coming to consonants. The consonants, how many consonants are there? 6 consonants. And 6 positions are left. 6 positions are left. So factorial 6, 6p6. There is a repetition in consonant also, T. So you have to divide by factorial 2. Now you multiply these two. You get the value which is 21600. Factorial 6 by factorial 2, factorial 6 by factorial 2, factorial 3. You have to multiply this. 21600. Now coming to the second part. The relative order of vowels and consonant do not alter. Now the thing is that the relative order, that is the vowel, wherever they are, they will remain like this. They will not change their position. They may go here and there, but in the same positions. Means a vowel cannot go on the second position. It will always be 1, 4, 7, 9, 10 and 12. So these are vowel positions. These are the only positions which any vowel can take. So 6 vowel, so factorial 6, P6. These are 6, but repetition is there. For factorial 2, factorial 3, same thing will come. Right? And how about the consonants? Now consonants should also have this position. They cannot change, but still you can have a formation. You can arrangement in these positions only factorial 6, and this T is repeated factorial 2. So factorial 6 by factorial 2, and this is going to be 21600. Same thing, same result is going to come. Next question is, the letters of the word zenith are written in all possible orders. How many words are possible? If all these words are possible, written out as in dictionary, what is the rank of the word zenith? Now here the word is zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. Now zenith means peak. So what will be the alphabetical order? You have formation. Now you make all the formation. Then you just arrange them in a list like lexicographical order. And in lexicographical order, you count from 1 to from the top. At what point this zenith is going to come? This is the question. So we'll start with the alphabetical. First, the E will come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, I, N, T, and Z. So this is the formation. First, E will come. So all the formation with E at the front and then others. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 positions and 5 letters. So the formation will be, or permutation will be 5p5. That is going to be factorial 5. So first E will come, then H will come. H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same thing, factorial 5. Then comes I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same thing, factorial 5. N will come. N, factorial 5. Then T, factorial 5. Now, after all this is done, Z will start here. So first Z, E will come. Z, E will come. So 4 will be remaining. 4 will be remaining. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Factorial Z, E. Okay. Now Z has come. Now Z, E. First this Z is going to come. What about this Z, E? We can have Z, E. Then Z H, then Z I, then Zn. So what are we going to go this point? No. Why? Because zenith will come after this only. Ze. So we will try to make more combinations here. After Ze, what will come? First thing is what? You always have to go by this way. Ze, what will come? H will come. Now 3 places are remaining. This will be factorial 3. Now Ze, after H, what will come? Zei. Factorial 3. Zei. Now N will come. Zein. Zein. Sorry. H is already done. H we have taken. I we have taken. Now N. So Zen. Now are we going to make formations? No. Why? Because zenith is going to come after this. So now we will start with Zen. I. Again start from scratch. So Zen. E is already taken. H will come. So 2 are there. What are the formation? Factorial 2. Now Zen. H. After that Hi will come. So are we going to make any formation? No. We'll stop here. We'll make the formation of this. So see here. After this I, 2 things can come. Either Zeni, either this TH can come or HT can come. What will come first? What comes first here? H comes first here. So first zenith. First HT will come, then TH will come. That means these are again 2 combinations. So this is factorial 5 into 5. So 5, we have 5 into 120 plus. What are these? This factorial 3 is 6. So 6 into 2 plus. This is 2 for ZENH. 2. Now zenith, for zenith you have to, if you count from here, this will come, this will be 2. 1, 2. So it will come here. That is, you have to count 2 more in order to get TH. HT is in front, so you have to count 2 more. 2. And this formation will be 616. And this is the answer. So this is all about this exercise. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.